Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is CDCC here, and today we will be unboxing this mini pack, free pack of the Dinoco minis. So, as you guys can see, here is the front of the package. We got Dinoco Lightning McQueen, we got the Dinoco helicopter, and Dinoco Cruz. So here's what the front looks like, and now if we flip it over to the back, pretty much just shows your names in the back. So yeah. So there's the back, and yeah, let's get it unboxed. Alright, so they're unboxed. So let's start off with looking at the Dinoco helicopter. Tell his propeller moves. So it's pretty neat. Way much smaller than the actual size helicopter, so yeah. Gander at him. This is the King right here. Made in, I'm not sure why it's not focusing. Thailand, okay. So, made in Thailand. This is King right here. It has the Dinoco logos all over it, so pretty cool. Second, we have Dinoco Lightning McQueen. He has this kind of metallic look to him, which is pretty neat. Made in Thailand, of course. Dinoco number 95. This is Dinoco back here, 95 up here. So yeah, another pretty cool car. Last but not least, we have Dinoco Cruz number 51, taking McQueen's place. Also made in Thailand. So yeah, pretty cool set right here. So if you guys enjoyed the video, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit subscribe, hit the bell notifications. Check out my Instagram in the description below. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And CDCC out.